Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how I remove the time limit in Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do, guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile phone, and after doing that, guys, go ahead and log into your account. So after opening up the mobile game, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the game, where you can see all of your progress, you can see your levels that you have passed, and so on. So as you can see, here are the events, the shop, and so on. And now, guys, let's say that we want to remove our time limit that we have before we have to wait for playing another game. So guys, if you have a time limit, then this is what you have to do. Go ahead, guys, and exit out of the application, and now go ahead and find the settings on your mobile phone. So guys, go ahead and find the settings option, go ahead and open up settings, and in the settings option we want to go ahead and search for time. Search for time, guys, and open up the time zone application on your mobile phone. Click on time, and as you can see, now we can go ahead and change our time. As you can see, I have currently automatically set to use network provided time, but what you can do, guys, is to go ahead and turn off that, and after turning that off, guys, go ahead and change your time to sometime in the future. You can maybe set it a couple of hours into the future, and after setting your clock to a couple of hours into the future, guys, you can go ahead and exit out of settings and go back into the Candy Crush Saga application, and you will be able to see that you no longer have a time limit as you can successfully change your clock. But yeah, guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.